All right, welcome back. Joining us virtually right now, we have local CPA Robin LeBlanc. Robin, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. I'm glad I could be here on tax deadline day. And this is a very...
Yeah, no, it's a big day. So if someone didn't file their taxes, what should they do, essentially?
So if you haven't filed yet, that doesn't mean to not do it. Like, you still need to get those taxes filed. Most of the people that don't file on time are generally just trying to avoid the IRS because they know they're going to owe a lot of money. But the later you put that off, the more money you owe. So when it comes to late filing penalty, 1 day counts as 1 month, and that's 5% of the balance owed. And it increases by 5% for the next 6 months up to 25%. So if you're procrastinating because you only owe the IRS $1,000, that procrastination is going to cost you an additional $250 by the time you actually file if you keep waiting. And interest accrues and accrues and accrues as of April. So it's really important to even find out that number. Now, if you're procrastinating and you actually end up getting a refund, you have 3 years to file and claim that refund, or that money is now the IRS's.
Okay.
So definitely get on that. And this year is an actually really fun year, at least for us tax preparers, because it's going to be the first time in 3 years that we actually have an end to tax season because no deadlines are pushed back locally for hurricanes. But it's been consistent for the last 3 years, so you don't get a cheat card this year. So if you didn't file by October last year and you were okay, that was just because of hurricanes. But we've had a blessed no hurricane state this year, which means you need to file and avoid those penalties and interest. And e-filing shuts down usually around November, after November 15th, and doesn't open up again until January. So you need to if you're going to file late, do it before mid-November so that you can at least e-file, have it tracked, and you're not doing a paper return sometime in December that's going to get lost in the IRS mailroom.
Robin, as always, you have great tips for our viewers out there. So procrastinators out there, if you need to rewatch this, head to our website, klaf.com. Everything Robin just mentioned is going to be on our website. Let's go ahead and check in with Adam Olivier.